this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Steam account and clicking the search bar up here. All you have to do is type in Counter, and this option should show up, Counter-Strike 2. Now, as you can see, it's already in my library, but if it's not in your library, you can click on Play Counter-Strike 2, Play Game. Now this one is actually free to play, but there's also a Prime status upgrade, which is $20 Canadian, and there's also a complete pack that you can purchase as well. Now, once you click on Play Game, if you actually don't have the app, it will tell you to download it and install it. So I'm going to install it onto my D drive, and then you can go onto your library and it will come up right here. And as you can see, it is currently downloading. Now, once that is done, you'll be able to play. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.